Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the document that needs a white background. First, make sure you're in print layout or draft view so colors represent what prints. Next, remove or hide any header/footer objects or images that span the page. They can look like a background. Once done, check Design Page Color to see the current fill. This gives you a clean slate and prevents hidden elements from defeating later steps. It saves time and avoids confusion. Now, change the page color directly. Go to Design, then Page Color, and pick white. If the option is grayed out, open File Options and confirm you're not in read mode. Also check Advanced Display Settings for background display. If a shape or text box is acting as a background, select it and choose No Fill. Once you set white, scroll through longer documents to confirm every section uses the same page color. Different sections can retain prior fills unless updated. Finish by saving and using Print Preview to confirm the white background prints correctly. If you're sharing the file, export or save as PDF to lock the appearance on other devices. If some pages still show color, inspect section breaks and header/footer content. Go to View Draft and reveal hidden objects, then remove fills. If Word still shows a colored background, restart Word and reopen the file. That often clears.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.